Yes. I'm already recording you, sweetheart. Come on, Carrie. Carrie, look at that. No. Aw, I think I did. Carrie, come on. At least take off your glasses. What are you doing, supermodel?
Fun.
Go get your crazy glasses. Well, don't shut the door on me or nothing.
Where are they?
Probably in there or there.
Where?
There.
There. Found them. I found them.
Oh, my neck. Okay, come on, let me go get mine. Gonna hold this thing. Okay. Carrie, it's on record. Carrie, stop it. I'm mad at you. I am so mad at you. What? What? What did you do?
Oh, I said
Wait,
something.
no, come here. Come here. Oh, the crazy best friends. Let's get a weird shot of your sister. Hey. Come on. Look at that. She's putting together a puzzle.
You're a really good looking person. What'd I say?